is Naomi, and my 13-year-old daughter and I went through the Thrive program with Kiane to tackle emetophobia, the fear of vomiting that I had never heard of until a very lucky chance encounter with Kiane, in which she was describing this phobia to me, and I realized, oh my God, my daughter has this. I hadn't realized it. And of course, neither had my daughter. We did not understand the extent of the phobia. It was hidden from us and also from my daughter. I don't think she realised it either. And we were unintentionally making the phobia worse by entertaining all the avoidance behaviours. We wouldn't mention sick. If there was someone being sick on the TV, it got switched off. We would be preparing food in a special way and traveling in a special way to avoid sickness. And it's thanks to the Thrive program and Kiane's support that I was able to have the confidence to support my daughter, and our daughter learned how to approach her emetophobia in the right way. So for me as a parent, this looked like having the confidence to say in the moment, you might be sick, and it probably won't be very pleasant, but you'll be okay. It won't hurt you. In actual fact, being sick is good for you because it's getting poison out of your body. It's protecting you. And initially that was very distressing. That was the exact opposite of what my child wanted to hear, but it was what she needed to hear in the moment. And the Thrive program gave me the confidence to say that. And then how my daughter benefited from the Thrive program is she has learned, it's such a gift. She's learned that it's your thoughts that are the problem, not the event, not the circumstance. And so now my daughter understands it's the way she's thinking about it that is the problem. And that's still difficult, that's still a challenge, but now she faces it. And she said to me the other day, I could have cried, my biggest achievement is facing my emetophobia and stop avoiding it and stop shoving it down and hiding it and pretending it's not happening to me. She's faced her emetophobia, and this is a tool she's going to have for the rest of her life. It's the way we think about stuff. It's the meaning we're giving that is the issue, not the event or the circumstances or what other people are saying is happening. So this has just been life-changing for us. Thank you so much to Kiane and the Thrive program.